I know. I need to get to that side though. ASAP Rocky, you know what I'm saying? Guys, today is the day. It's a 1995 Nighthawk 250. We're gonna trade it in on a CBR 650F. Dude, that was insane. Hello? 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just like so happy to be outside riding my bike. I really need to spit this gum out though. I don't like chewing and riding. It's so confusing. It's like chewing and walking but more complicated. Oh my god, it's starting so much smoother now that it has oil. Baby Yoda! Oh, Baby Yoda. Alright, don't be weirded out if I just start talking to myself, because I'm actually talking to the YouTube fam, you know? That was impressive. You almost hit your mirror, though. No, let's go right. Screw it. Or left, that's fine. You're good, bro. Woo-hoo! Hi! Oh, that downshift was so crisp. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I got my boy Kyle here on his on his Baby Yoda R6. We're going out for a little cruise today. Just did a new oil change on the bike. We're running with fresh fluids and brand new front tire and brand new rear tire. So we'll be getting some good traction today, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some good fast boy stuff going on, because he actually tacks his bike out now, which is good. You tack it out now. You go all the way to Redline like a good boy. Hey, you bought the whole speedometer or the whole tachometer, you gotta use the whole tachometer. I wanted to spit my gum out. You think if I just like drop it out of my mouth it'll fall? Where'd it go? Did you see it? Let's go! Your turn, baby. Here, sit on the bike. I can only tell if you're like on the bike. Oh yeah, you're totally fine. 100%. Yep, and then go ahead and crouch down like you're going fast. Here, let me, actually I can see the screen. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. Perfect. Yeah, you're totally good. Yeah, sweet, dude. Alright, let's hear this thing start. And don't be weirded out if I start talking to myself, because I'll be talking to my GoPro. All right. Oh, it's so quiet, dude. Oh my god, it's so quiet, dude. It sounds good though. Yours is louder, I think, now. Yeah. Wait, let's hear this again. It sounds good though. Always gotta make sure you're zipped up, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's do it. Dude, it's so quiet. It's so weird. Hey, let me know if my muffler falls off too, by the way. I'm sure I'll be able to tell, but
have a friend. Who are you? Oh no, I didn't make it. I didn't make it. Are you gonna go left?
Yeah.
Alright. It's got so much more torque now, dude. That's lovely. I love it. Alright, later.
I don't like how I feel. I'm in my bag, I might switch up my pills. Run away, I'm living for the thrills. I don't like how
Oh my god.
I don't like how I feel. I'm in my bag, I might switch up my pills. Run away, I'm living for the thrills. I don't like how I feel. Why does everyone always question me? When I get my check, won't waste it on.
Holy crap. This thing has power again. Let's go. My front end started getting like that. Heck yeah. That was garbage. I spun again in second. Alright, get next to me. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. I'm so glad that you're all lit up. I don't have to worry about people not seeing me. Yeah, you lit up like a Christmas tree. I love it.
Why does everyone always question me? When I get my check, won't waste it on Louis V. Dripping with what I got priorities. Now I need a girl that doesn't get bored of me. No, I cannot get with these hoes, they expensive. Might as well spend all my cash on some medicine. All of this pain, yeah, my whole body cramping. My brain is getting real dark, Marilyn Manson. I'm a ghost, I swear I'm invisible. Friends don't notice me no more, but I'm a ghost. Yeah, I'm alone, so don't come knocking at my door. Why do I even try? I'm not gonna make it on tour. Spread my wings, learn how to fly. These thoughts are getting me real sore. I wanna forget it already, you meant it alone. Need medical blanket, I'm cold. I swear every day feels like it's pouring rain. I'm crying while I walk down the road. So I don't like how I feel. I'm in my bag, I might switch up my pills. Run away, I'm living for the thrills. I don't like how I feel. I don't like how I feel. I'm in my bag, I might switch up my pills. Run away, I'm living for the thrills.